More words. The list of words you all can read is growing longer. Out. Goes. Tall. Does. Help. All of us like to listen to stories. Some of us like to read them as well. Let us read about birds on a tree. Birds on a tree. Out. Goes. Tall. Does. Help. Tree. Branches. Flowers. Fruits. Shade. This is a tall tree. It has many branches. Trees give us flowers, fruits, and shade. Birds. Window. Nest. Eggs. Tree. Look out of the window. There are 2 birds on that tree. They have made their nest. There are 3 eggs in the nest.